heater. Through heater here. A couple umbrellas here. Anything else I can grab? Okay, a little bit of something. Don't want to stick too long there in case they think I'm dumping garbage. There's tons of garbage there. Okay, there's a toaster here. This is the other half of the yard. I'll take the toaster. There's a cat there. You can see his eyes. Cable here. A modem. Not expecting a lot of scrap today, so take advantage when you see it. There's actually a big reel here. I'll probably take that too. Sub them up. Handrail. Those lights were there 2 weeks ago. I saw them there, but it didn't stop. So 2 weeks ago, imagine that. A chair. It's Torx. I'm gonna bring a Torx set. Okay, the dishwasher. We'll see if I can get it in. It's gonna be a heavy one. Well, that's good. It's got lots of concrete in the bottom. Okay, that's good. I got it. Send me some stuff. A couple tires here too. I've seen it there before, but I had too much stuff in the car before. There's more at the end here. This will be good. Okay, well, we're at 2 now. There's more in there, but too far to go. Probably like half a dozen in there, but I can't tell if there's rims on them. But okay, chair's still here. I was this chair last time. I'm gonna grab because it's too bulky. Surprising, stuff doesn't move. It just sits. Fridge right here. Mop. Ironing board here, right on the side here. Okay, we're getting our trash. Fridge here. A little bit of junk here, but it's just too much trash. That could be a pack rat, you don't know. I usually take stuff when it's a clean area, right? We didn't have all the other crap there, but just, you know, you take something and the guy freaks out. Okay, another one. Bit of a crappy load. Fridge is kind of a bit of a pain, but I'm not going to go all night anyway, so the fridge is kind of a, I got a hole here anyways, but we'll see. Getting quite a bit of scrap tonight, more than normal for this area. But I'm not in the really fancy area, right? But I'm in an area where, you know, the house is expensive. It's just not the fancy area. Okay, frying pan here. Aluminum. Okay, so we'll take it. See, I'm having problems loading this truck up here now with that fridge, but I have to put a dam or something there. I think that's the first frying pan tonight, I think. Okay, aluminum chairs here. Hopefully I can get it in. Oh yeah, nice, perfect. Perfecto. Put that bin there. A pair of aluminum chairs. Perfect. Happy with that. Heavy keyboard actually. Actually quite nice. Keyboard I keep in front here is actually quite nice. I like it. Might be for Apple or something. Comes perfect. I need a shield here for my front seat. Oh, look at that. See that? Everything works out at the end, I guess. We do things. So now everything will sit in here and we'll go to the front seat. The chair was a bit of a tough one, but worked out. Don't leave like, I don't know, maybe $8 to $10 sitting there, right? Yeah, $8 to $10 for that chair, both chairs. Okay, and I got one steel rim too. I found. There's more bottles here. Okay, we got a sink here. Got the tap on there. It's a metal sink. It's good. Printer. Almost tripped on the cord. Dishwasher. There's a gold mine right here. Look at that. That's a gold mine. Nice. Okay. A barbecue here. Maybe able to get it in. Well. Should fit in the front seat, I think. So that was like a $10 jackpot. Over $10 maybe. And I got quite a few here too. Stuff is everywhere. Okay, some junk here. Stainless steel. Drums thing, but $1 here. I'm just gonna cut the cord off this thing. Coffee machine. Cut the cord off it. Record player here. I understand there's so much garbage around here, it's crazy. Let's see. Another bottle here. We can. Couple balls here. Oh my god, this is danger. Danger. Danger, danger. Wow. It's an inverter type. Not the best type, but I get plagued with this stupid thing now. Put it there maybe. So over here, danger. We're getting there. Doing good on both fronts. Doing good. What's this tire here before we sign off? Tire and rim. Nope. Nope. Okay. I think I'm kind of out of the area now. I think I can get this thing. Let's see, crunch it down somehow. Oh, that's like it. Okay, pretty good. We're doing pretty good actually, not bad. It's one of the better loads. And bottles too, we had, like I said, we had a couple jackpots. A $10 jackpot, one around about $6.50. That's actually pretty good. There's condos everywhere, they're building condos all over the place. And they're like little side streets here. On main roads and side streets, it's all condos. Okay, I kind of ran out of space here to go to. I kind of choose not to go really far west, but I think most of my areas are gone. Used it all up. Break this down maybe. Throw it in here like this. Look how the other side adjusted. So I'm exhausted. The area is just doesn't ends that way, so good enough. Look at this crap. The area's exhausted. Yeah, not bad. Fits there. So I don't know. Hope I can pick a few streets up this way. Otherwise, this is gonna be that's it. You never know, right? We'll see what happens. Yeah. Have to leave that there. No real room. Really got any room? Well, what am I gonna do? No room. Okay. Okay, that's it. I ran out of areas to hunt. I would like to put a little more on the sides, but I think that's it. Video. Close the windows up. So I think we did pretty good. I'm not sure how much we made in bottles, but it was actually pretty good. With scrap involved, and I got a gunpowder Irish gin again. So I'm happy with that. They're actually so cool looking bottles. Those bikes are chained up, those ones there if you saw them. But basically I did this area, but I did find some pockets that I missed, or maybe the people added stuff to the bin, I'm not really sure. But I thought I went through here, but there were some bins that were pretty full, so I did get another maybe 100 bottles maybe if I'm lucky. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.